welcome to Kashketi channel. So last na videos lo manam we have seen about the chemicals that ease our cold. Okay. So today I want to start a series related to the cough medicines along with cold. Okay. So doctors do prescribe lot of cough medicines for our kids and even for elders. Okay. So it's good to understand what those chemicals are meant for, as we have lot of chemical combinations and lot of brands that come for cough. Okay, so let me start with the basic cough chemical which the doctors prescribe. So the chemical is chlorpheniramine, phenylephrine and dextromethorphan syrup. So this is the basic chemical which doctors prescribe for cough and cold. Let me explain what these chemicals do, okay? Because it's good to understand them. As I told you that there are a lot of chemicals that do come in the market for cough medicine. So chlorpheniramine is nothing but it's similar to levocetirizine, okay? It's same anti-allergic medicine. So sometimes if they prescribe this chemical, it is not required to use levocetirizine or cetirizine. Chlorpheniramine is same antihistamine. It reduces the histamines that are released into the blood and ease our allergic symptoms. So as I already told, the allergy symptoms are runny nose, watery eyes, sneezing, cough, cold. Okay, so it eases those symptoms. Let me go to phenylephrine. Okay, this is one chemical generally we see in the cough medicines because this medicine reduces the swelling that is created in nose or airway tubes or ear. Swelling in the sense, in science terminology, it's inflammation. Okay? Redness. It's basically redness that is created due to the flu cold or bacterial cold. So this phenylephrine reduces that swelling. It's kind of anti-inflammation medicine. And dextromethorphan, this is the important medicine for cough. Okay, this is a cough suppressant. Okay, what does it do is it reduces the signals that are sent to the brain related to the cough reflex. Okay, so it reduces the cough reflex and makes kind of an expectorant. Okay, it behaves like an expectorant. It's a cough suppressant. It's an antitussive medicine. Okay, so this dextromethorphan is a basic cough suppressant medicine. So while you're using this chemical, just understand why the doctor has prescribed to you this. So he would have prescribed this to reduce your allergic cold, to reduce your inflammation, as well as to relax and ease your cough. Okay, so in the next videos I'll further explain you with some more chemical combinations that are used to reduce the cough and cold. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and share. Thanks.